Hey Fetii, welcome to Gamma Phi Beta at Texas A&M. Let me show you around. So right when you walk in, we have our main foyer with our infamous stairwell and then our chapter crest at the top of it. Also, girls like to study in this room. So this is our living room. Girls love to sit in here and watch Dancing with the Stars with everybody. And also we like to watch our other Gamma Phi chapters house tours. So this is our chapter room. It's a big room, so broken up. This side, we host a lot of events. We just had a Friendsgiving. This is the main part of our chapter room where we host chapter every Monday night. We have 300 girls in our chapter and 48 living in-house. This is our dining room. It's able to host everyone in the house because everyone likes to eat together, and a house favorite would be fajita nights on Tuesdays. This is a typical example of a double room, so there's 2 girls that live in here. There's a get ready area along with the infamous House Fetii flag. Hey Fetii, thanks for stopping by, and don't forget,